Okay, for the foot pedal installations, we have right side matches with the right side here, and you are supposed to turn it clockwise. So 90% of the thread, you can just turn it in just like this. So you start and then just turn counterclockwise. It should go in really easily. See, you can keep turning it until it tightens, at which point you use a wrench to do the final adjustment, just to lock it in place. The left side. Left side, you would do counterclockwise to secure it. Turning. Okay, it's all the way in.